So in question 8b, we're given this equation and we just solve it for theta being in between 0 and 360, which means that we can be in any of the four quadrants. So let's just rewrite this in terms of sine theta. So we know that sine squared theta plus 2 times and then cosine squared theta, just like in the previous question, is 1 minus sine squared theta. This is 4 sine theta plus 3. So let's just rearrange this a little bit. So that will be a sine squared theta plus 2 minus 2 sine squared theta. So if we bring everything to one side, we'll just have sine squared theta plus 4 sine theta. And then we have a plus 3 minus the 2. So that's just a plus 1 is equal to 0. So, well, if we look at this, unfortunately, we don't really see a simple way to factorize this, in fact. So unfortunately, we will have to go for the quadratic formula over here. So we can just say that sine theta is going to be minus b plus minus b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So that's just a minus 4 plus minus, and then we have the root 12, and this is divided by 2. And so, well, we could simplify this a little bit, but yeah, so it's in the plus minus. What we will see is that, well, obviously here we have to look at both solutions. So either sine theta is minus 4 plus root 12 or minus root 12. If we look at the negative version, so if we say that sine theta is equal to minus 4 minus root 12 over 2, we will see that this over here is smaller than minus 1, which is not possible. So we have no solution for this case. So we only have to continue with the positive case, just like this. So what we can do now is we can take out our calculator. If we plug this into our calculator, we will find that theta is going to be, we just take the arc sine of this whole thing basically. So we get that theta is 15.5 degrees. However, we are told that our theta can be anywhere between 0 and 360. So what that means is that, well, sine theta takes the same value in multiple places, right? So if we add 180 degrees, we still get the same sine theta. So we can still add, so this will be theta 2, this will be 15.5 plus 180. So in the second quadrant, we still get the same value of sine. This is 195.5 degrees. And well, in fact, we can also subtract it from 360, and we will still get the same value. So we will have another value here. So 360 minus 15.5 degrees, this will be 344.5 degrees.